it's Betsy from Cuttin Corners Vinyl in Nederland, Texas, and today is Craftmas Season 2, Episode 60. Now, this video was supposed to go up yesterday. I'm re-recording the intro. I did work on this yesterday, but then I got a pounding headache that nothing would get rid of, and sitting under studio lights, I tried, and it did not happen. So, but I wanted to show you this, that you can do the same file, or you can do any file in multiple ways. This is the same file on a t-shirt as well as on the little mini chalkboard sign. Now, I purchased these little mini chalkboard signs from Target. They were 4 for $5. They were in a pack. And as you can see, I used the Glitterflex Ultra in silver and red, and look how pretty that looks. And it turns something that, you know, about $1 worth of material and then $1 for the sun, so you can get an awesome look for, you know, just a couple of bucks. Now, if you'll give me a moment to change the camera angle, I'll show you how everything that we're doing today. So today I'm going to show you how to apply HTV to this chalkboard sign. Now, this was in the 4-pack that I purchased from Target for $5. So the first thing I'm going to do is lay out my silver layer, which looks like this, and then I have my Cricut Easy Press Mini. And we're just going to press each section for a few seconds. We want it stuck, but it doesn't have to be perfect yet, because we are going to add a second color onto this design. Now, this design is available for my $10 or more a month patrons, and this also makes a super cute shirt. But a lot of people don't realize that you can add heat transfer to so many different things. That's why I was like, well, we'll go ahead and do a chalkboard. I also did make myself a shirt personally with it, which I will show you in this video. Okay, so let's see how that, got a little piece of extra. Let's see if we can scrape that up. Need a little bit more heat here and right here. And if you go slow when you're removing your clear cover sheet, it really makes it easy to see where you need a little bit more heat. Just press and hold. There we go. Try not to burn my cord. And I have that on the second level. I don't have it all the way up. Hold on. I just swapped blades in my Cricut, so it cut just a hair too deep, and I gotta fix my S. Okay, so let's lay our S back down. And see, anywhere where there's like extra glitter, you can just kind of scrape that off. So we're going to go ahead and lay out our red layer for our candy cane. And take a piece of, just a set of scissors, and trim off some of the clear plastic so we can flop that back over. And have a way to hold it down. So there we go. So now we're going to go ahead and heat the S first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we're going to heat the red layer onto the candy cane. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look how cute that looks. Now, let me get the rest of, there we go. Got the rest of that off. Now we're going to take our little bit words. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's see if that's down good. Oop. Our dot. So we're going to press right over that little dot. There we go. Look how cute that looks. Now, if you'll give me a moment to change the camera angle, I'll go over everything we just did. So hopefully you like this video. If you do, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button right down below. And for Craftmas, we post every single day at 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. Don't forget to check me out on all my social media, Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter, and Instagram. And if you're interested in anything that I have to do with makeup or all that jazz, that's on my second channel, which is Betsy. It is linked in the description box. It's a great way to get to know me and the things that I love a little bit more without doing crafts. But I guess that's it. So we shall see y'all tomorrow, 7 p.m. Central Standard Time.